As you can see, the name is LAC Semper. That translates to LAC for always. The goal of this project is to honor the past, promote sensible use in the present, and secure the future of LAC Bay. So LAC Bay is currently facing a series of unprecedented threats, from overgrazing on land, which leads to sediment deposition into the bay, unchecked sargassum landings, smothers the shallow seagrass beds, it threatens the water quality, and it leads to beach erosion, and it's threatening the mangrove forests. The dynamic nature of the bay has led to shifts of sand, which actually changes the footprint of the bay itself, and all of this simply adds to the ever-increasing pressures of climate change and increasing tourism. But all is not lost. With great challenges come great opportunity, and STINAPA has been hard at work to design and implement a number of mitigating strategies, and a few of which we'll present here today. So the first that I would like to introduce is the LAC Semper project. It's funded by the European Union, it's executed by Expertise France, and it's going to be implemented on island by STINAPA, Ola Bay, and Reef Renewal Foundation. This initiative is part of a larger resilience, sustainable energy, and marine biodiversity program, or by the easier to remember acronym, Resientemente. First, we will work to improve marine habitats. This includes seagrass and coral restoration of the bay, as well as setting up a water quality assessment. The seagrass restoration will not only improve the coral nursery capabilities, but will also provide a natural water filtration system and anchor the sediment to minimize future beach erosion. In parallel, there will be a brand new coral nursery, which will raise the next generation of alcorn corals, which will eventually be outplanted, restoring the coral species and strengthening the back reef area. Next, there's going to be an improvement in the education, outreach, and enforcement capabilities within STINAPA. This includes the construction of 2 watchtowers, one on Sorbonne and one on LAC, which will not only improve the rangers' ability to monitor the bay, but will also be a point of interest for tourists and residents alike. Starting in September, we will also have daily presence of rangers in the bay. The rangers will be helping to implement the project, both through patrolling, aiding in habitat restoration activities, and interacting directly with the public. They're very excited about this. Lastly, STINAPA is pleased to announce they've been given resources by OLB and the Ministry of Agriculture, Nature Conservation, and Food Quality to better respond to future sargassum influxes. This includes purchasing better sargassum booms and the mechanized removal of sargassum from the water.